Morning. Got the week off. I can't do much today though because I've got to go and take my son to go and pick his A-levels up. So I've literally got 2 or 3 hours max. So I thought I'd just pop over to Lady Walk Nature Reserve and I don't know, see what I can see. I don't expect to see a lot because it's that time of year when there's just nothing happening at all. I did pop up Middleton Lakes at the start of the week and it was just dead. So as I said, I don't expect to find much, but I needed to get out of the house for a bit. I stayed in all day yesterday and it was driving me mad. So I'm just going to have a look. That being said though, while I've been standing around for a couple of minutes, I have heard what sounded like the peregrine falcon flying about screeching. I know people like to see me come through gates. Really hate this time of year for photography. The birds are just, well, non-existent. You can hear like 1 or 2, but you just can't see them. So it's really hard for bird photography. For landscape photography, everything's green, so everything's the same colour. So that makes it difficult. So yeah, it's a lot of people think that photography in the summer would be really good because you know the weather's nice and warm, but trying to find something to photograph is hard in the summer. I think really hard. Well, one thing I do know is that you can't have a photography channel without showing photos or doing a product review or doing a tutorial. But anyway, I'll share some photos that I've took over the last few weeks. Often either in my back garden, up in the zoo, so I could show you a couple of them, and just random times when I've been out with my camera without the idea or the intention of doing a video. I've maybe took a couple of photos here and there then. So I'll show you them, just so you're not 100% bored of listening to me beg you for help in helping my channel grow. Hide number 1. I don't think I'm going to get around all the hides today. I haven't got time. But I don't think I'm going to see anything anyway. I mean, there's nothing out of this one. I could get that and bring it over here and show you, which I suppose would be easier, wouldn't it? But I'm really struggling today. It's really quiet. Haven't took a photo yet. Haven't seen anything yet. A couple of gulls flying over, and that's about it. Haven't even seen a cormorant go over yet. In my last video I said I was going to do something different. I said I was going to upload that photo onto a new channel because my YouTube channel is just, I don't know what's the matter, it's just crap. It's doing no good basically. It's not getting the views, and as I said before, I've watched other channels where there's people going around roughly doing the same as what I'm doing. The photos are absolutely terrible. They are extremely boring. I'm not saying I'm not, but they are just next level. And they're getting like something like 20,000 views on each video, and I'm like, how are you doing this? I just don't understand. So something's not right somewhere. Now I've had some encouraging words off other people telling me to do this and to keep doing what I'm doing, and you know, they like the channel the way it is and they too can't understand it. But I've had a look on YouTube, I've had a look at a few more things that might be causing the issue, or you know, problems that I'm doing or things that I'm doing that I could rectify that maybe would get the video out there. So I'm going to try a few of those. Or it just might be I'm crap and not worth watching, and no one wants to watch me anyway. But that being said, these videos were never intended to be, you know, shared with everyone. These were like kind of like a video diary of myself and my progression with my camera and my photography. So I guess in one way, if it doesn't make it, I'm still achieving what I set out to achieve, if that makes any sense. Now, one of the things I've found on searching the internet on what helps your channel grow are likes. You know, just that thumbs up thing down there somewhere. And obviously the more likes you get, apparently the more YouTube spreads your video. So I'm going to ask a favour. Even if you don't like the video, it's like another experiment. Even if you don't like the video, could you just stop right now watching the video and just click that like button? And let's see if that works. See if it pushes this video out and it gets more views, even though I know this video is going to be pretty crap because there's nothing to photograph. So just stop right now and click that like button for me, please. I'll just wait while you do that. Didn't it? Come on, don't hurt you, just one click of the button. Thanks. So that's something to try. We'll try that, see if that makes any difference. Now the other thing I'm going to try, which I never ever do, is, you know, when you make a video or you upload your video to YouTube, what you actually call that video, you know, like give it a title. So today will be something like, I don't know, nothing's happening at Lady Walk. If you name that video and that is the video you upload to YouTube, that gets embedded into the metadata apparently. And the metadata is read by YouTube, and that also determines how they spread your video. Now, one thing I never normally do is I never ever name my videos before uploading. They're always called something like, I don't know, video 1, or you know, just random numbers. So I'm going to try that, see if that makes any difference. Well, as far as photography goes, today's got to be the worst day ever. I haven't took a photo yet. There's just nothing to take a photo of. I've seen a couple of geese fly over, a couple of seagulls, and that is it. Yeah, it's terrible. Bit of a waste of time and the morning really. But I've got to come out for a walk. I've been asked, and you know, it's been mentioned to me that I should include kind of more tutorials, more tips, more settings, and I totally agree with that I should. I just feel uncomfortable doing it. I feel like I'm not qualified enough to tell you that. Perhaps I have the experience now to pass that information on. I don't know. I really don't. Maybe I'll start doing it, see how it goes. If you think I should do that, please leave a comment below. Going on to comments, dropping comments below on my videos, again, also helps YouTube decide if they're going to push my video out. So even if you just write a little line, you know, boring video Mark, smile a bit more, you're a miserable bastard, something like that, you know, it pushes my video out. Whatever, just drop me a line. it helps. So like and drop me a line in the comments. And if you've got any ideas what I should do, whether I should start sharing my tips. I mean, I've thought about doing complete walkthroughs. You know, like today would have been ideal. You know, I've rocked up here, walked around, show you a little bit of B-roll, find something to photograph, tell you the settings I'm going to use, take the photos, go back home, quickly show you how I edit it, job done, total walkthrough. Which, yeah, I think that would be a good idea. And I think that's probably what I will start doing. But I can't really do that at the moment because there's just nothing to shoot. So any ideas you have, just leave them in the comments below. I really, really appreciate it. I think I'll get there somehow, I think. I don't know. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'm not destined to be a YouTuber. Nearly had a couple of photos. As I came around this corner, there was a couple of them muntjac deers here. But as soon as I went, they went. I didn't actually go, but I kind of, you know, got my camera ready, and they went. So last hide. This is the last chance for any kind of photo, I think, today. Just terrible, terrible. One other thing I'd like your opinion on is, what do you think of my thumbnails? You know, the thumbnails I do for the YouTube videos. Are they good enough? Do I need a better description in them? Do I need a photo of me doing something in them? Or is it just like the photo of, I don't know, a bird good enough? I don't know. Personally, I kind of like the ones when there's a photo of me doing something in it. But I don't know, that's my opinion. What do you think? Okay, so in the last hide that I'm visiting today, at least I can see a few little ducks, which is, I think that's all the photos are going to be today, little ducks. There is a mallard, no, sorry, not a mallard, there's a Canadian goose over there, and his wing looks broke to me. It's really all kind of twisted, unless he's just holding it funny for a bit. But he's on his own, so whether his wing is actually broke, I don't know. Oh look, there's my ducks and they've all flew off. You know, I said going into that hide over there, that'd be my last hide. It was going to be. There's not really a lot going on over there, but while I was over there, looking over in this direction to where I am now, there was a pair of hobbies flying around, and there's a silver birch tree right next to this window, and they kept perching in there, flying around and perching in there. Taking the shots from over in the other hide was just too far away, so I thought I'd give it a go and come round and see if I could see them. But it's a good, what, 10-minute walk round, and I think by the time I got round here they've gone, they've moved on. So I'm going to put the camera away, I think, and make a quick shuffle back. Thanks again for watching. Sorry it's been one of them videos where it's mainly me talking, but it's that time of year where nothing really happens. Hope to get out and do some landscape stuff when the kind of colours change at the start of autumn. So don't forget, if you could please give me a like on this video, drop me a comment below, and yeah, really appreciate your feedback and support. So until next time, thanks for watching. Well, I might as well go and have a look in the last hide, just for the hell of it. Oh, this one looks completely dead. I don't even think I'll take my bag off in this one. Yeah, nothing, just nothing.